Hell yeah. We're at a 7-Eleven, and where are the motherfucking cars, bro? And there's only one way, proper way to start this vlog. Ready? Do it. And on that note, welcome back to today's vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. We're here in Las Vegas, same night after SEMA. We're going to car meet hosted by Origin. So it's also the day where they're hosting like the national 7-Eleven car meet thing. As of right now, the Origins start at 9 p.m. So we're trying to head to a 7-Eleven around 7 p.m. to see if, I don't know, maybe we catch some cars at 7-Eleven, and if not, we'll just wait to the Origins. Oh, that's Diamond Autosport. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we are 2 hours early to the Origins meet, but look, it's already nice. Sheesh. All right, guys, so it's 7:23. I'm probably gonna head outside probably like around 8:30, see if we can get some cars rolling in. But there was already a Lambo. Pretty sick. Oh, he's got TC4s, bruh. I need that shit. Thank you. Damn, bro, this shit got popping out of nowhere.
Bro, it's different out here, man.
G35 Nation, that's what I'm talking about.
I watch your video.
Hey, thanks, brother. Let's go. Sheesh. Shout out to the boy. Oh, sick ass car, homie. Sheesh. Oh, the Super Gang came out here. Oh shit, Super Gang. Quick announcement,
This is a public announcement. If you have underglow and you can see the LED strip, rip them off.
That's so aggressive.
Came out all the way from Cali.
Had to come to SEMA at least once.
Hell yeah.
Hey, hell yeah. Yeah. Park it all the way over there. Pablo will give you a spot.
Yo, that's sick.
I'm gonna talk to him about it.
Oh shit.
It's black to Jersey.
Which one you want, babe? Army Tricks. Army Tricks exhaust. Damn, carbon barrels. Oh damn, bro, this is gonna be wicked. Hey. Bro, it's like paint faded into the carbon. Oh shit. All carbon fucking hurricane. Hey, which one's your favorite car, man? Which is your favorite?
I still have to say GTRs.
GTRs, yes sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
white one.
Oh fucking hey, bro. Nice car, bro. An F8. This is like one of my dream cars right there, bro. F8. That shit is fucking. Do not lean or touch.
Oh yeah, it's the one with the downforce.
The downforce. Yeah,
What's up, brother?
GTRs. Is that the Husky guy?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Nice.
What's up, brother?
Gotta represent all the G's, bro. Fucking G Nation, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He put it in.
Damn, bruh.
You got yelled at immediately, bro.
That's good. At least they controlled it.
Yeah.
This guy gave no fucks.
I know.
Oh shit, bro, is that one guy, the freaking that rents exotics? Houston Exotics? That's him. Like they don't even tell him nothing, bro. It's an LFA, bro. You gotta enjoy the LFA sound, bro. It's one of the best sounding cars, bro. Come on. This is what to do with your underglow, and that's what not to do with your underglow, okay? He's got in his wheels, in his vents, in the rear engine, in the... That's a pretty nice ride.
Alright, we got the cameras on
One
now.
more, Troy. One more, Alex. Oh, bro, the wastegate's in the back right here. The exhaust. Oh, you gonna test it out?
Look at that.
It charges?
It works.
It works.
It
Let me see. Yo, it's charging, bro. Let's go. Damn. And then this is that one girl from TikTok. Let me know down in the comment section which one it is. I forgot her name, but I think it's Tran or something. But let me know. Is this your car, my guy?
Yes.
Quick question. On estimate, how much do you think you spent on this car?
How much I spent on it?
Yeah, like a quick ballpark. Just like if it was retail, you know?
Another super on top. Let's put it that way.
Another super on top. Dang.
A little bit more. A little bit more on top. Yeah.
I feel like you would have been more than that.
This is about 80 already that I put in.
88,000?
80,000. Yeah.
Man, on top of the car.
Yeah.
Man, it looks good though. It looks super good. Oh my
I would have
God.
thought more.
Yeah. Found fresh kick, dog. Is that a thumb it on, bro? Finally found his GTR, bro. There's so many influencers right now, like it's crazy, bro.
One of them, dog.
No, not me, bro. Like, dude, like just right there in that little circle, bro. You have Houston, bro, from Royal Exotics. You have Alex Choi. You got some guy named Esteban, who's famous from TikTok. He's got like 900,000 subscribers. You got Fresh Kicks himself. And then at the SEMA, you had TJ Hunt. Like Alex is just freaking strolling, like he's coming back right there. You guys can see Alex right there coming by the Continental. There's so many influencers out here. It's actually crazy seeing them in person, bro. Like it's nuts. It's nuts. It's just so nice, bro. Look at that. Man, this is some Need for Speed shit, bro. Like just think about it. What the fuck is going on, bro? What the fuck? Bro, I don't know what the fuck's going on, but we gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. We gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. What is going on? Bro, they kind of ruined it, bro. They ruined it.
Yeah, there's cops outside, right? Yeah.
Like, if this was Sacramento, we usually just park and then leave because the cops are already there.
Sacramento, the cops would have swarmed me.
If this was Sacramento, the cops would have already been parked, bro. Like, just think about it.
Brooklyn to be in
I got front seats, boy.
I mean, SEMA.
He's got the NASCAR fan badge. Oh, shit.
They got this one in the green GTR over there.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Tesla Lambo. This is the first Tesla Lambo. Oh, hey, what's up, bro? What's up, man? How you doing? The first Tesla Lambo. Sheesh, rev this bitch. Have you ever seen a Tesla Lambo?
That's a Lambo.
This is the Tesla Lambo, bro.